I'm going to show you how to create how to display a HubDB table in the from your, so like let's say for instance you have a listing page and you want to display your the HubDB, so the data from the database. You want to display it on your listing page, and then after that you want to have also an internal page from that listing page. So we call it dynamic page. So for instance, let's say we have this membership image, data table. So we have different table here. So you're gonna want to display it. Click there nicely. Let's check this one here. iPhone, Apple products. What do we have here? Okay. So we have different things here. So let's test iPhone, Apple product. Okay. So what we're gonna do? You go to marketing files, and then design tools. So HubSpot is providing already is providing HubSpot is, if you create a new some of the theme that you can already have, they might have already the custom module with the HubDB capability or a template with that HubDB capability. So if they don't have, you come to new theme. So this new theme here that's going to just help you to copy and paste the template that HubSpot is providing. So for you to get it, you have to create kind of like a new theme. You create a new theme, and then after that, you're going to copy the templates, and then you get rid of that new theme. So boilerplate, I'd call it the HubDB theme to delete. Create like that. So you have to choose from boilerplate. So you have your theme there. If you go to templates, as you go to templates, you're going to see we have HubDB, the HubDB there. So you're going to need this one here. So you're going to have just to clone, copy this one, and then after that you move it to your template. So this one we're not going to move to a template. It's just a testing exercise. I mean, you're going to have to clone this page, you move it to your theme. So but as you know, want to do it like this here, we're going to just use it directly. Okay, so we have what do we have here? Let me see. Yeah, so let's go create a, now if we create, okay, let's just move it because of that way it's going to be easy. I'm going to move, right click, move templates. Okay, so we have to look for any templates. Let's say for instance you have a which one can we use? All right. Okay, which theme can we use? Okay, let's use for instance like oh no, I've got one that is graph copy. Yeah, let's use this graph copy, and then we go to templates. Yeah, so we're gonna move it here. Okay, so as you can see, it's not longer here, so it's been moved. So we'll do right click. Yeah, so anyway, right click, or yeah, better to do right click, view in Finder, so that you can see now is under your theme, letter of your choice. So now our theme we're doing testing is graph copy. So let's first go and delete that theme that we have there. What is the theme name? Okay. Yeah, so the point is just the moment you finish, so you have to delete that theme directly. So yes, this one here, then delete. Okay. So yeah, so we have our theme. Okay, now what we're gonna do is to go to create a page out of this this theme here. So you can do it right here. So okay, then showing us create a page here. So let's go go to marketing website, go website pages, create page. Let's call it this one Apple product. Yeah, so this Apple product listing, create. So we're looking for, now you have to choose a theme. So let's say the theme that we are looking for is graph copy. There you go. Select active. Then we're looking for HubDB. You can see there is no HubDB here. So what you're gonna have to do, okay, we're gonna have to go back and get it. Let's just copy this one quickly here so that you can go. So we have to go to the template quickly, design tool. So we go to design tool. So we go to our HubDB. Let's see. We couldn't see it because it was false. Because as you can see here, please note that only user with CMS Hub will have access to the HubDB tool. Therefore, this template should not be used an account without CMS, blah, blah. So now we're gonna change this one to true and then publish changes. Let's go to our choose the template, refresh. And then as you can see, we have HubDB. You select. Yeah, so now you can see that no HubDB table has been selected. So now the reason why is that, so you have to go again to the design manager and then go to set to false for production. So you're going to click here false. Tap false there. And then let's go refresh the page. So now once you do that, we have to select, no HubDB has been selected yet. So we have to come again here. We go to templates, you scroll down, dynamic pages, you select your database. Okay, so now okay, so we have it like that. Let's refresh, see what's gonna happen there. Okay, so now we have yeah, so let's see root page title. Oh yeah, so now another thing, as you can see, is not showing up here because of our database table need to be set to dynamic. So you go to design manager again, HubDB table, you go to your table, you go to actions, manage settings, and then you have to select as you can see is already there, allow public access, enable create data, product name, photo, we select that one, that is fine. Yeah, we can leave it like that. Okay, save, publish changes. Okay, so there's one thing that is missing. There's no name there. So now let's go refresh the page. Yeah, normally we're supposed to have a name, so it's not. So we have to go here inside the row. You can see it's looking for row.name. Normally most of the database is gonna have it already, the name here. This one does not have it, just have product name. Let's see. Yeah, product name, we're supposed to have like name there. Let's remove this one, bring it to name, publish changes. Okay, so refresh. Yeah, you can see we have name here. Okay, let's change. So here we can have iPhone 13, 12, 14, 15, for instance. Yes, 15. Yeah, so yeah, this is just for testing. Okay, we have 14. Let's put this one 13 here, 13 there. Yeah, we'll publish. Yeah, we already even have models here, X and stuff, but this is just for sake of exercises. And the path name, so the path name can be like this, CBA, or but it's gonna be nice to have this way. You also paste it up, so it's gonna make it already like that. That's the slug that you're gonna have. Okay, you publish. All right, so now we go to refresh here. You can see we have now there. So now we have to save page title. We're gonna call it Apple products. Like just say we're gonna call it like iPhones. Yeah, no, like Apple. Yeah, Apple products. There, and then we auto save, publish, and then we preview. So here we have our table. You click there for dynamic page. As you can see, it's showing us now the stuff that we have in the table. You see, so yeah, so HubSpot is already giving us like a basic stuff that is getting everything from the table here. So yeah, as you can see, it's going for call HubDB, call ID, and then grab everything that we have there. This for the next listing first, and then after that for the dynamic page, you can see here we have rows. So we have if the table ID is present, and then we check the length of the data. We come down here, we have our rows. So rows is iterating data from the HubDB. And then after that here we have the name. So is the name is the one that you want to click, and then it's gonna show us the so this part here is the one that we have it in the listing. Like that. And then here we have if page equal to 1, and row we have now the name, as you can see there. So this is now we have the name of the, if you go the detail page, as you can see we have our table. In our table we have label, name, and value. Label, name, and value. And then here where we are pulling now all this data here. So this is the default one that HubSpot is providing already. So you can try to use, and you can try to restyle as you wish. And the nice thing with this one, so if you can see, is there iPhone 13, as you can see there. So yourself, you can also have your own, you can call it in this way here. For instance, we have row, and then we can have a description. Let's say we have a description, we call it div or paragraph. Copy, and let's go see which description we have here. We have product detailed page. And see product info. Yeah, okay, we're gonna use product info. You edit, you copy this value here, you go, and then you change the dot product info, select to refresh. See, so there, as you can see, they're giving a description. So here they're just pulling all the data, but also you can customize it as you wish. There is the way that you customize it. And the last thing, yeah, probably it. So yeah, so this is the one that HubSpot is providing. That's it. That is the way of creating a dynamic page in HubSpot. HubDB dynamic page. So just make sure that in your settings here, you make sure this must be selected. This one must be selected there, and also in your HubDB table, these parts need to be selected as well. This needs to be selected. It's important, and also select some of the items there. And then yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you so much.